G'day everybody, Trader Cobb here. Hope you are all well. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Trader Cobb, Facebook, YouTube, all the socials. But don't forget, if you haven't already jumped onto the subscription, so if you haven't jumped onto the podcast and given me a subscribe, then I'd suggest that you do. And first of all, I'd like to just say a big thank you to everybody who has and has supported that program, because we are now in the top 20 investing in the US charts, as well as in the top 40 business and top 10 investing in Australia. So it's just gone absolutely gangbusters, and I have to say thank you very much for the support and getting on board with that. If you want to help me out even further, jump in, write a review and give me a star rating there. That'd be super duper. All right, so I want to give you three to consider over the weekend. What am I looking at? Well, I'm looking at Ethereum, Ripple and Neo right now. Why? Well, Ethereum's in a nice downtrend on the daily with good strong convergence, a little bit of support coming up, but looking for a larger pullback here. There was a wonderful little Bitcoin breakout trade earlier in the week. If you didn't get that, then you need to be patient. You need to be waiting for opportunities. Pulling back into this cradle zone effectively is what I'm looking at on the 8 hour, as well as maybe even on the 4 hour, but probably more so the 8 hour. And you can see, if I show you on the 2 hour, check this out. Test 1, test 2, test 3, lower high, lower high, lower high, break, money, money, money. It's been a good week for trading. There's no doubt about that. I hope you've been able to get your pockets filled throughout this very glorious period of wonderful setups. And Ripple again, another one, beautiful little break and a very good move. Right now though, we are looking at a bit of a pullback. Ripple is sitting right now on the support, so I wanted to point this one out because I don't want people to get stuck. I don't want people to be shorting into support because it is not safe. It is in a nice downtrend, there's no doubt about it, but with that support there, one needs to be very, very cautious. We have seen a very strong bounce off of that support, and we are moving higher at the moment. So keep an eye on Ripple, but be very, very careful. And finally, Neo. I want to take you through and just break this one down. We've been moving lower on Neo for quite some time, and a very, very strong move to the downside. Very good, strong convergence there as well. And if we jump up here and just have a quick look at the 4 hour, and then I'll jump to the 8 hour, you'll actually see where I've drawn in this fib level. You'll see 61.8% fib clustering there with this old support. Now, what I'm looking at doing at the moment is writing that Fibonacci course so that you guys will have access to it. I'm hoping to get it done around about before Easter, so you've got plenty of time to view it over the Easter period. But this is the sort of thing I'm looking for, pullbacks into that sort of region. I'd probably like to combine that with the 8 hour pulling back up into here, small bearish candle, so a bit of a crypto cradle slash Fibonacci trade there. There's certainly some good moves out there in the market, guys. It's a definitely good time to be cautious. If you've had a good trading week, then I suggest that you reward yourself, because that's what trading's all about. I'm heading up the coast. I'm going to do that midway through today. I hope you have a fantastic trading day. Don't forget to jump on to the podcast. The link's below. Visit tradercobb.com. Give me a few reviews, give me a few ratings, and I'd really, really appreciate that. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye for now.